Hello crazy crafters, this is another LR cheap and crafty trick. I made this greeting card holder out of those foam boards from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna make, I have a little space here, so I have a little extra space, so I'm gonna make another one that's bigger to hold my larger cards. But yeah, this is just, something that I came up with that was really cheap. Of course, I just threw a little something on it. But if you're looking for something, if you have wall space or something, hey, there you have it. You can make space with cheap stuff. So, bye for now.